today we're going to do a simple experiment. Magic balloon. For this we need test tube, spatula, measuring cylinder, funnel, baking soda, vinegar and a balloon. So let's get started. First, take 15 ml vinegar and pour it into the test tube. Let's pour the vinegar into the test tube. Now, add 1 scoop of baking soda into the balloon with the help of funnel. Now we will fit the balloon over the test tube and make sure the baking soda doesn't fall in the vinegar. And now we have to let the baking soda fall into the bottom and see the magic. Did you like this magic? Try to do it at your home. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share.